Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing Button Simulator X. You see we're with a friend here. So today, actually, first let me explain. As you can see, we got 1 trillion money and 1 million multiplier. There's a 100, times 100 money thing going on around right now. But if you look at my time, I've only been here for 250 to jeez, my friend. Okay, so okay, he's just thinking. So what can we buy here? We cannot buy this. Buy. Wait, I think we could. 2.5 trillion. That's what we're trying to get. Let's go get some tickets while we're waiting to get that much money, because that's a lot of money. So we need. Why do we need tickets? Need evolution. Need underworld access. Need heaven access. Ultra. What does this do? What? A badge, access to heaven, 1 ultra rebirth, 250 rebirths. So these are like the rebirths that you need multiplier for. Do I need 4 million for 4 rebirths? Enchanted? Oh, at least 1 prestige for 10 rebirths. But look, that's 150. And you will not lose them. At least 1 evolution. You will not lose them. Mythical powered. Oh, that's 79 Robux. But wait, why am I forced to be zoomed in this much? Sorry. Okay, now we're good. Oh, here's the ticket shop. And then what's this? 1%. You can just buy permanent boosts here. You can buy permanent boosts here? Yo! I do not have enough tickets. I have 41 tickets. We're gonna try to get a lot of tickets so you can buy 1% boost. I wonder if it boosts in money or multiplier. Hopefully multiplier, because multiplier gives you money. So it'd basically be doing the same thing. Okay, let's just spam one of these. Okay. What the? I can't zoom in. Help me! I'll just have to do this. Okay, never mind. Yay! This is overpowered. Yes. Look at my multiplier. Look at it going up and up. Hey, we can get 4 rebirths. Come on, let's go. We have 50 tickets. We're halfway to 1% boost. Yes. Look. Oh, this one gives you a badge. 4 rebirths is better. first rebirth. Okay. I got my badge. I wanted the badge. We want to get every badge. Yeah. Oh, my money. My money. Look at my money. Oh no. I think my money's gone up a lot faster. 0.1 multiplier. Oh, so we get a badge for this one. Let's get it. Yeah. But I can't get 30. Oh my. What? It gives me such a multiplier boost. Okay, I went too far. I think I went too far. Just watch, we can like spam this one and get so much multiplier. Okay, we're not getting that much. We can just stand on them. Yep. We're gonna go to the first screen and just stand on it. Yes. Look at our multiplier. It's going up insanely fast. Let's go to this one. Okay, my money can barely keep up. Great. No, it can keep up. It's going pretty fast. Jeez. You realize just going like probably like 10 seconds in, we could have got another rebirth. Help. Cursor broken. Ah, cursor broken. Seriously, the cursor is broken. What did it break? My mouse might be dead. No, but it does this all the time. It just teleports to the bottom. That fix it? Nope. This is just touching. Help! I can't move. Dude, I just have to do like this. Why is it doing this? Oh, we have a lot. I just realized. I can really turn it. I have to like stop. See, my character has to like totally stop. Let's go out of the way back here. 50 million multiplier. Let's buy this one. Buy it. Oh, we got it. Yay. Oh no, I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. I think that first one's gonna give us at least 50. At least 50 multiplier. Yeah, it gave us 51. The cursor just like keeps working then stops. Okay. 8. That's a lot. That's a lot, not gonna lie. You do realize we could already buy it. We could already get another rebirth. We're gonna aim for 50 million. No, we're just gonna keep going. Should... Why am I dealing with this? Let's get this one. I think it's too much. Yeah, it's 511 billion. Let's go to this one. Yes. 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 Go, 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 go. Come on. I think this person has played the Button Simulator 3 because you can't just stand on it in Button Simulator 3 and it just gives you a bunch. But if you spin on a button and you have enough money, it'll give you a lot of money. We're at trillions. Okay, let's go get some tickets. I want some tickets. Ticket. A lot of ticket. Huh? 50 money? 50 money? What what does that mean? I'm pressing it. It's not changing at all. It says 50 money. I have over 50 trillion money. What's everybody doing over here? Did I just get a rebirth? Did I just do a rebirth? And I think that's actually just a multiplier. Great. Okay. I turned the sound off for me. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not. Just in case I might have already gotten copyright, but if I did, I'm turning the sound off because it might be copyrighted. If it is copyrighted, I think I already got copyrighted, but I don't care. I might be wondering why did I turn the sound off. Now I can hear it. Now I can't. Okay, we have a lot of money. We just got 2 rebirths. Oh, we're gonna try to get every single badge. There might be a badge at the end of this, end of that. Wait, does this ultra thing cost Robux? It gives you a badge. What? It says it's green. Huh. I don't get this. 4,000 rebirths. Because I do not have 250 rebirths. Look, I only have 7 rebirths. I do not have 4,000 rebirths. Ah, that's a lot of rebirths. Yeah, I'm leaving. Babe. Oh, jeez. Yay! Now we're getting, like, a lot of money. Yes. Oh no. And to get 50 million, we're getting 10 rebirths. Strength simulator. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Oh. Hey, we have 86. Oh, 87 tickets, 88 tickets, 89 tickets. 10 more tickets. Yes. You need a lot of tickets. Ticket. 1% more. Money or multiplier? Nobody knows. But we're gonna do it after we get 10 rebirths so we can figure it out. So we have 8 trillion. Yep. Yes. No, we want this one. Okay, we're getting a lot of money right now. Let's go to this one. No, let's go to this one. I think this one's actually, yeah, this one's way faster. Okay, we're going to 50 million. 10 rebirths, 50 million. So we're just gonna try to see. Just need to clip it. Clip it. Oh, 102. Just gonna clip it. Clip it. I don't know. I honestly don't know by now. Okay, so let's go get the 1% more. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, 100 tickets spent. Boom, purchase. Yo! Oh, it increases our money. Yes! We get more money now. Wait. Yeah, we get 1% more though. Meh, we still get a lot of money. Yes. I want this one. Oh, no, I want to stand on this one. I want to stand on this one. I want to stand on this one. I'm going too fast. Yeah, I think I am. This one's 9 billion. Stats info. Boost the multiplier income by times what? Multiplier rebirth. Infinite. What? What? Time spent in seconds. Money boost from tickets. Prestige money boost. Premium stats active 10 times money. What? Honestly, I don't know what's happening right now. What's happening? I want to see what my multiplier is for multiplier. We're just standing on this right now. 62 trillion. Okay, we're nowhere near that. Yes, our money. Our multiplier. Look at it. Whoa. We're getting 700 million to get that like 25 rebirths, I think. Okay. Go. I think this one will give us more. I'll just stick with this one. That person just walking along all of them. You can eventually do that with enough rebirths. I've done it in Button Simulator 3. It's really cool. So like, you could just like walk along every single button in the first world, and then in the second world you just walk along every single button. Yeah, we're just sitting right here. Yeah. Yeah, we have 1 billion. We have 1 billion multiplier. What? Oh my goodness. We need 1 trillion, 7 billion, 6.3 billion. We're going to 6.3 billion right now. Okay, we're gonna go really high since we collected a lot of money since we've been back here. We're gonna get this one. Yes. Can our money keep up? Billions, 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 billions. Just wait till you can stand on the next one. What the? It's lasers. Oh jeez. Jump on it. You know what? We're just gonna buy 28 rebirths. Yes! 45 rebirths? That's a lot of rebirths. Need evolution. Need evolution. Let's see if I can go in there. Anyway, it's green. That means I can't go in. Yo, I can go in here though. Oh, what the? What's over here? They're like a separate. Oh jeez. This is way too much for me. 10 million evolution. 100 evolution. I don't have 100 evolution. Okay. I want the infinite. Infinite. Look at it. Money. Let's walk along a few of these because we can. Okay, no, we can't walk far. Wait, we can walk farther. Keep going. Okay, we're in the quadrillions. Trillions. Let's just stand on this one. No, this one. Yes. Hey, we're getting a lot of millions. I think this one. Okay, it's time to go get 28 rebirths. This is a fast playing game. Like really fast playing. 700 million! Yay! I got 73 rebirths now. What if somebody had times 100 money or times 500? Who knows? Somebody might. I don't know how you would get that many tickets though. Seriously, how do you get that many tickets? I only get 1 ticket per ticket, so how could you get that many tickets? Oh, from the egg I see why it's 75 Robux. 100 million of that. With the 5k tickets though. How do you even get this many? I don't honestly go for the 100. If if you had enough, I'd go for the 100% boost, not 250%, because you'd have to buy 250% boost, which would be 8,000 to get 100%, but 100% is only 700. Well, 7,000 actually. Which I don't know how you get that many tickets. Buy a lot of tickets. And boom, 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 boom. So we're walking along a lot of these buttons. Let's just stand. Okay, now we're standing on all the way back here. Look how fast this makes us money. Or multiplier, I should say. Okay, okay, not yet. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's go. Actually, we should go for 6.3 billion. We're gonna go to 6.5 just in case. Let's go to this one. Come on, multiplier, get high enough so you can beat it. Yes, you can beat it. Can it beat this though? No, it can't. Look at the money just racing down. And oh, it's still pretty fast. Oh, we can still stand on it. Still standing on it. Okay, okay, time to go buy a lot of rebirths. Yes. Good, 6.3. Yes. 155 rebirths already. Yo. Yo. Oh my goodness, this. Ah, it's going up way too high. Whew. Let's just stand on this one. We're getting multipliers so much faster now. We could already buy 28 rebirths. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Dude. I can stand on this one. I think the next one is 70 billion. Yes, 70 billion. 80 for 281 rebirths. Dude, that's way more than I have right now. We're going for it. Okay. That's 3.8. Let's buy this one. Okay, we can like stand. Let's stand on this one. So it makes us no. This one gets us a lot faster. Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, we can barely stand on this one. Oh jeez. Yeah! We have a lot of money. Not gonna lie. We're still a ways away though from 281. Was it 281 reverse? I think it was. We're gonna get 281 rebirths and end this video. Oh no. Okay. Why are you stealing all my tickets? Don't take my tickets or else. Don't take my tickets. And I mean it. I mean, when I say don't when I say don't take my tickets, I mean do not take my tickets. Yay! Look at our rebirths! And if you did like this video, please leave a like.